Ayan guys, here once again guys for another beautiful cover and beautiful song, and hope you enjoy and hope you like it guys. Come on! Don't forget to follow and like and share guys ha. Thank you po.
But I knew I heard a stranger's voice before.
I turned to look into her eyes, but she moved away.
She was tempting in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say Earth's love never runs dry.
The winter born of memories and the time comes. We stumble over words we long to hear.
We talked about the dreams we've lost are giving us.
When there was no candlelight and took silence from my life, as the last thread rolled to the moon. Those summer nights when we were young, we proud of things we never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. And in our heads we grow alone.
We've lost our innocence and there's a fool.
We're the dreamers, only dreamers.
On desert moon,
On desert moon,
on desert moon.
on desert moon.
Hey! Come on!
I still can hear the whisper of the summer night. The echoes in the corners of my heart.
The nights we stood and waiting for the desert train.
All the words we meant to say, all the chances went away, still remaining on the road to the moon.
Those summer nights when we were young, we proud of things we never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. Moments pass and time goes on, but dreams remain for just as long as the dreamers. On the dreamers.
On desert moon.
congratulations guys, and thank you so much guys, and hope you like it. And don't forget to follow and share this cover guys. Ayan, salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakipag-collab guys, and thank you so much, and God bless you all. And I'm Kel po from Kel's Family. Salamat po.